Big news from Elegoo, and I'm kind of really excited about this one after looking into it just a little bit. They are launching a new enclosed printer, actually a couple different options for this thing, and I kind of really want to go over this one with you. It looks like they're coming after bamboo real hard, and they might be able to take over with this one. Looks like we got a really good budget printer coming in hot here. And Elegoo's been in the game for a while. I've actually got a Neptune 4 Pro down here, and runs slow, but still puts out phenomenal prints. So let's take a closer look at the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. All right, so we are on pre-order right now, and this is on pre-order for $299.99 US dollars. Sorry, Canada or Australia. I don't know what it's going to be for you guys. But this is the Carbon. This is the all-enclosed 256 by 256 by 256. So same build size as this guy. Oh, I'm just causing a ruckus all over. 256 by 256 by 256. Same exact specs, all enclosed. So this is the P1S. So I'd imagine it's going to be wildly comparable to this thing. And this guy is going to run you about 9 something plus $50 shipping, $100 shipping. I don't know. I've had this guy for a little while now. And that's not including the AMS. But I did see that they have this listed as, let me see if I can find it. Multicolor printing is going to be available in Q3 of 2025. So they know the market that they're looking for. It's got a chamber camera built in that does have time-lapse capability. And if you like showing off your 3D prints, I'm sure that you love your time lapses. I know I sure do. Time lapses are honestly one of the cooler parts of 3D printing, I think anyways. You're gonna have, I hate quoting the speeds that they give you. You're never really gonna get that, even with the bamboo. You can, but you're not going to have a good print. You never want to be running it as fast as you can, unless you absolutely have to be running it at that speed. Got your flex plate, all standard stuff here, filament runout detector, blah, 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 blah. Most of this is standard practice, but so we've got the Carbon, which is going to be able to handle your carbon, glass, fiber, reinforced filaments, all of your high strength stuff. But they've got the regular Centauri, which is not going to be enclosed. It's not going to have any of your filtering, which I believe has all of that. But it's also not going to give you your camera monitoring or time-lapse capabilities, but it's $200. $200 for the same size, still got your Wi-Fi, still got your same size build frame. That's nuts, but it's not going to be enclosed. Slight smaller changes, but you've still got your all-metal hot end. It looks like most of the stuff is going to be the same. But you're not going to have your air filtration, cooling fan, chamber temperature regulator fan. But I mean, for an intro printer, I think this one's going to really be a game changer, guys. $200 for that bad boy, or $300 if you want to do the still fully enclosed with all of the cool stuff and able to run your friggin' carbon fiber and glass fiber and all that cool stuff, God, I think this could be a game changer, guys. I really want to try this one out and see how this runs. And Elegoo is solid, man. They make some really good prints, or printers, I should say. I will post a link so that you can pre-order this. They got some bundles too. I was looking at this one, the all-in-one family combo bundle. I'm kind of really excited for that one. Gets you a couple of the carbon fiber filament bundles or spools, regular filament, gets you your anti-vibration feet, which I haven't really used those. Should be cool though. I don't see it hurting anything. And then 3-pack of build plates. So you've got your holographic build plates, so you don't need to even get anything else with it until, quarter 3 comes along and you want to get your multicolor printing system, which I feel like they're probably going to have that probably pretty cheap as well. And one other thing that I saw that they are including with this, I scrolled all the way down to the bottom for this and saw, where did I see it? Oh no, I lost it. What's in the box? Customers are required to print the filament waste bin themselves as it is not included in the packaging. The model for printing will be available on the provided USB drive or within the machine. So your test print could be your waste bin. How cool is that? I actually really love that. So I think Elegoo really has their finger on the pulse of where this hobby is going, and I'm super excited for this one. I will put a link down below so that you guys can get your pre-orders in. I think this one's going to be a game changer. Let me know. I'm for sure going to be getting one of these as soon as I can, and I will be putting a review of this one once I get it. Let me know what you guys think about it. And Elegoo, feel free to email me so I can test it out. idiotcraftman@gmail.com. For the rest of you, check in the comments or pinned in the comments and in the description below. Click on that to get yours pre-ordered today, whether you do the $200 one or the full bundle. Get one of these. I think they're going to be solid. I'm going to get one myself, guys. All right. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.